Children are the world's most valuable resources and its best hope for the future. Every child is a different kind of flower and all together make this world a beautiful flower garden. Happy Children's Day. Okay, welcome you all to the YouTube channel A-Z English Academy. Today I have brought you a special program for kids as this is the Children's Day. Okay, I'm going to do an origami activity for children. I know as children they like to have many origami activities. Therefore, today I am going to have an origami activity for the kids. What you need is you have to have some color A4 sheets, origami papers and a glue, a pair of scissors, and if you have, you can have some picture punchers and also a marker pen or a gel pen. Okay, let's start. I have a piece of paper. This is a square size paper and you can have both this side and this side equal. So, an origami bookmark is a creative way to make your spot in a book. You can spot a book by using this origami bookmark. This is a kind of a corner mark. So, don't worry about your foldings experience. Let's start. This is your square size paper. Place a square size piece of paper. This is it. And now this side, fold the bottom corner up to meet the top corner. You have to fold this bottom corner to meet this top corner. Try to do with me. Okay. Then fold these two sides, this side and this side, up to the top to make a small diamond shape. Okay, you have to fold this side and this side to this top. Okay, let's fold. Okay, you can have like this diamond shape. Okay, now fold the top layer. Here, this is the top layer. This one. Fold the top layer of the top corner down to meet the bottom edge. This side. Can fold to meet this bottom edge like this. Now you have a shape like this. Then you have to tuck this left side and also right side corners under the folded down flap. This is the down flap. You have to tuck this side and also this side. Let's stack like this. And also the other side. Okay, now the sketch is almost over. This is the sketch. Now we are going to decorate it. So, I have two ear shapes. Then I have two eyes, two teeth and two picture punctured flowers. Okay, now I am going to use some glue to paste them. First, two ears. You can have some glue. Like this, you can paste two ears. Let's paste teeth, okay? You can paste it like this. Like this, and there should be an opening. Next, you can paste two eyes. You can paste two eyes like this. And now you can have your gel pen and draw a nose. You can either use a marker pen then you can draw a mouth and you can decorate your origami like this. Okay, not only that, you can either paste these two flowers to make it beautiful. Okay, your origami corner bookmark is ready now. Okay, I have got some bookmarks with me to show you. These are very easy to prepare. You can have your own bookmarks. You can use these bookmarks as finger puppets too. Like this. Like this. Okay. These are very beautiful and colorful. You can try more. This is the way that you should place this bookmark in your book. If your book is like this, you can place it like this. You can place this like this. You can fold it like this. Okay. I think you may have a clear idea about how to make an origami corner bookmark. So children, join with this A to Z English Academy YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can comment your ideas in the comment section and thank you for watching. Have a fabulous Children's Day.